Hey everyone, and welcome to the University of South Carolina Lancaster's Division of Dual Enrollment. Today I'm going to be showing you how to search for those classes and see what's available in real time. This video is only for dual enrollment students who are taking classes at USCL, whether it's on campus or online. If you are taking USCL classes at your high school, this video does not apply to you. If you are taking classes at your high school, then you'll need to get with your high school counselor regarding taking classes, when they're available, and if you want to add or drop a class. So for those who are taking classes at USCL, either online or in person, let me show you how to search and see all of the classes that are available for that term. The first thing you'll do is navigate to our website. You will then scroll about halfway down, and on the right-hand side, you're going to see a bunch of quick links. You're going to go ahead and select course listings. Once you select course listings, you'll select the term you want and press continue. Now, for campus, you will select USC Lancaster, but leave the cursor in the box and press enter. And once you do that, all of the classes show up for that term. So there are a few things to take note when you're searching for that perfect class. The first thing is it available? Is it full? If it's full, it will have a little red box that says full with an exclamation point. If it's available, you will then see how many seats are available. So this one is 7 seats out of 24 remaining, so it is available. The second thing is the meeting time. So you can tell a class if it's online asynchronous or in person by the meeting time. If it's online asynchronous, which that means that it's not at a set time each week, then all the days of the week are going to be shaded white, and that is online asynchronous. If you are more of an in-person person, then you will look at the days of the week that are shaded in blue. So for this particular class, the Monday and Wednesday are shaded in, so that is when the class is going to be taught. Also, if you hover over the meeting time, it will also give you a lot more information. Another thing that you really want to pay attention to is the start and end date of a particular class. Here at USCL, we offer a number of different classes in different formats. So the first one is we have a 16-week class that you can take, and then we also have 8-week classes. And those 8-week classes can either be at like the beginning of the semester or at the end of the semester. So just make sure you're paying attention to when the start and end date is. Another thing is you want to look to see if it is available under the section. If a class has P in it, so this one for P1, that means that it is not available. So anything that doesn't have P in it, it is fair game. And then finally, things that you want to make note of if you decide that this is the class for you, you need to look at what the subject is. So it could be, arts or an anthropology class. You'll write that down. The course number, is it 101? Is it 201? Is it 246? And then finally, the CRN number. That gives us the particular section number of that class. So CRN number is very important. Another thing that you can tell is if you click on the class and you want to see if this is something that is does it have a prereq to it? You can click on prerequisites and it tells you if you have to have a particular class before you're able to take it. There are a couple of caveats to this. If you are wanting to take math, you'll have to make sure that you take a math placement test. Foreign language, same thing. If you are wanting to take English, lots of times the high school requires you to take, 3 high school Englishes before you're able to take a college English. So just make sure that you are following what your school recommends. Make sure to reach out to your counselor to see if you will receive high school credit. But otherwise, that's pretty much it for trying to see what classes are available. And then you will go ahead and register for your class using the subject, course number, and CRN.